Hi! Everybody loves a challenge, don't they? So this year I set up a challenge on my Facebook group. All I asked people to do was make something specially for the challenge with the Valentine's theme and using Prumihimo as the technique. They could add in other techniques, they could make whatever they wanted. The challenge really was to make sure that you make something on time and get it loaded up into the right place. I didn't know how many people would respond, but believe it or not, we had 99 entries and the range of talent on display was absolutely phenomenal. So thank you very much to each and every one of you. And this video is showing all the pictures that were sent in of the work. It's really inspirational, so do take a good look. And I hope that it will inspire you to make different things. By changing the colours, it changes the theme. So you may see some exciting things here. You may want to have a go at them. You can make them into summer ideas, Christmas ideas, whatever you want. This is all about being inspired by other people's work. And I'd particularly like to say a big thank you to each and every one of the participants. And finally, I should also say I did enter myself just at the very end. This was my necklace and I've been having a lot of pleasure from it.